Oh, what? Freaking useless double jump in this game. Maybe I can get there from here. And then I got waylaid by... waylaid? Is that the word? I don't know. And then I got distracted by shiny things. Oh! Hup, hup. No, I don't know. Go right, no. Not, Can I get on that? No! I don't like wall jumping. What? Ah! Excuse my brain. It's not a very good one. Oops. I accidentally destroyed part of the level. These have to be here for a reason. I don't know. Maybe it'll become apparent. Now that is a high plunger that'll plunge us into further adventures. Deeply. It's fun being plunged deeply. Oh, shut up. Up. Camera? Camera? Hurry up. I turned it on fast turning speed for a reason. But if this is fast, it makes me wonder what slow is. Oh, no! I mean, no! Ew. I did trip over my belly. I don't know how Drakaya is so good at adventuring. Oh, hello. Dragons are clumsy.
Plumber's crack. What did you just say? I said, look, the plumber's back. All right, what? Guy. Shouldn't you be on one of them escape transports? Escape transports?
Spiky head.
Giant robots attacking. The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this goddamn planet.
I'm killing the robots.
So why are you on one? Socioeconomic disparity. What? He hasn't got enough bolts.
I have.
People have to wait for Captain Quark to save us. Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts? I got this thing. Joe's two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too. An info bug. Ratchet, we could use that.
We already have used that. Oh no, it's money bags. Bugger off.
To enter look-around mode, press and hold the L1.
Look around mode? You called it first person earlier. God. What? I can buy it from all the way over here. It's money bags with a range boost. Yeah. I suppose I don't mind parting with bolts. They do sparkle though. Oh, I want to see it sparkle! But I would much rather have gems from Spyro because they always look really nice. Well, here you go, Spyro. Thanks. I mean, thanks!
Did you just slide down a sewer pipe?
Yeah? Like we're about to.
Mayday, mayday! This is the solar ship Radical. We seem to be under attack from the planet's surface.
Relax, kid. plane. Probably in your honor. Whoa! That was close.
What?
Pipe down, I can't concentrate. Oh, we've been hit. An unexpected detour. When we land, I'll see if I can scare up an exhibition for you. We're not gonna live that long.
I'm gonna die.
Let's hamstring. Eject! Eject!
Kids game. They just died.
Did you see that guy on the left? That was Skid McMarks.
Was
Does
it?
he know Captain Quark? I
Oh,
doubt it.
wait.
He's a pro hoverboarder, always going off about how cool he is.
Skid
Looks like he's in
marks.
trouble. I'll say. I've never seen him look so freaked out.
Gadgetron infobots give you coordinates for new planets. Now that you have the infobot for planet Iridia, you'll need to find a ship to get there.
Oh, cool. You can go to different planets. I have a feeling this game's going to be really good. Whee! They're chasing me. Oh, I almost didn't recognise this place because the camera angle is different. How confuzzlementing.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Fuzzball? Scale ball. More like. I guess I can buy that now. Speaking of LEGO games, the Harry Potter one. Maybe I should record that next now that I think of it. Pyrocyter. I usually don't like Fat Ball. OP.
Let's go, buddy.
I'm a lot of balls. Yeah. I don't want to buy ammo
Oh, that's a nice one.
for 1 bolt each. Who? Oh, right. I was gonna say, who wants to buy ammo individually? Oh! He Zelda'd it. I just Zelda'd a gun. Yum! I burned a robot. It doesn't make sense.
Use the telescope. Fall down in a circle.
I am. Thanks for telling me something. Oh, whatever. Oh, I thought that was secret sauce. I guess I actually have to stop for today, everybody, but I will almost definitely stream again tomorrow at an earlier time, so you should look out for that. You should probably even sit in the chat room all day until I stream. And if I remember or something, if I don't get a chance to stream tomorrow, I'll come in and let you all know, or something. But because I've been like wanting to play this for a long time, so it's likely that I will, because I actually have a game I want to stream for a change, rather than not wanting to stream anything I can think of. So sorry for the short stream, but I will announce it on the Steam group and upload the video, of course, and it'll probably be maybe around, I don't know, probably sometime in the afternoon, yeah, middle of the afternoon, maybe around 4 to 6 PM my time or something, starting.